First of all, my best wishes and big congratulations to the team Red Hat for organizing the Manufacturing Summit. Videonetics is proud to be a Red Hat certified ISV partner. Videonetics provides an AI-powered unified video computing platform for addressing the challenges of safety, security, and surveillance for all the verticals. We have been ranked #1 video management software provider in India and amongst top 5 in Asia, and our specialized solutions for manufacturing and industrial sector helps secure the workplace, the workforce, and thereby enhances the productivity. As we all know that the occupational safety, health, and environment, which is called as the OSH and SHE, are major areas of concerns for the manufacturing sector. Our AI-powered solutions are purpose-built to address these challenges and ensure the compliances effectively. We are very delighted to collaborate with Red Hat. This technology partnership with Red Hat will help us co-create solutions for manufacturing vertical. Being a Red Hat certified ISV, we are able to provide truly AI-enabled unified video computing solutions based on open source technologies and practices. And our intelligent video management software, IVMS 3.0, is certified on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and our containerized application, which is the container version of the product, is also certified on Red Hat OpenShift, which offers greater consistency across hybrid cloud environment and reassuring customers that our intelligent VMS can be supported on any Red Hat footprint. We are very hopeful that this partnership will bring mutual success to each other. All the very best, Team Red Hat. Thank you so much.